gonna
Red velvet hair.
Hi guys, so today is a new day and I'm vlogging because it is Michael's birthday, November 4th. And we dyed his hair last night, red velvet, and it's lit. So right now we're getting Isaac and then we're heading to
get
Caden and then Landon, right?
Yeah.
And then we're going to House of Boom. Look at this dude. Push your hair, Bubby. We did this last night. Hey. Hi. I'm in the room that I always FaceTime the boys in. It's okay. Caden! Guess who we got? Oh wow, you look so white.
Redhead alert.
So we're here at House of Boom. The lighting's horrible. And it looks so oily.
Happy birthday, Michael! He's 9 years old.
Dad! What do you have to say to Bubby?
I love you. The way your son don't need a gun to get respect up on the street. Under the sun, the best the sun.
I look so sweaty. No, I'm glowing. Oh, look at that glow. Found him. Hey. What? Woo! Almost full.
I slipped and I went sideways. But just want to say, we have some food.
That kid is so cute. Help me get on, help me get a dude out in dodgeball. I'm gonna distract this one kid and then we'll both get him. All right, what's up, birthday boy?
I'm gonna try to, I want to flip on this.
So we're going to where?
Shogun is, school.
Guess who joined the party? Landon. Say hi to the vlog. All right, Dad. I want a flaming onion, please. Watch out, watch out, watch out. So we're at Shogun, and I let down my hair. Let down your hair. And me and Abigail have been texting on Snap. And she was like, oh, I don't know, I think I'm gonna end my streak. So I was like, no, because we have a 410-day streak. Like, she can't do that.
Hey y'all! If y'all got some money, y'all know who gives
This kid in money. Do you need money?
Yes! Yeah, I got like 300 pieces of candy. It's about to be crazy up in here, y'all. We about to get burnt up in here.
Caden, ready? Go, Caden. Yes, Caden. Oh, close. Close. Last one, let's go. Go, last one. Here, Bubby, it's your favorite, the flaming onion. He's 9.
9? You're almost 2 hands. You're getting old, man.
Aww.
What's your name? Michael. Michael? Can I have everybody clap and sing? It's Michael's birthday today! Woohoo! 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Michael. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
So are you paying for your meal?
No, pay for mine too. So we're here just waiting for Aunt Melissa. I am currently uploading a new Instagram because the sound is coming on tonight and to see if I made it into the top 7 or not.
Ow! Ow! You a buffalo.
You look like John.
He's
like Josh. Oh, you look, Michael, you look like Josh Dunn.
So I got through.
Welcome back to The Sound. I'm here with one of our top 6, Abigail. So, have you enjoyed the coaching process this year? Oh, absolutely. I love Paul and Leslie. They are amazing coaches. This video from our coaches.
I'm actually really excited for Abigail's song. I think Debbie did a really good job picking this song for her, that in trying to pull something out of her that the judges have said they want to see.
There's nothing like the warmth of a summer afternoon.
Whoa! That's a lot. Look at that! Happy birthday! You like it? See, I'm watching. Intercepted. Oh my goodness. You like it?
Intercepted.
All right, we're gonna. And the touchdown.
Ready, Michael?
Yep.
Set up here.
Come up closer.
Closer.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Michael. Happy birthday to you. Yeah!
Yay! Happy birthday! So, I'm practicing for my song for The Sound for next week. Super excited because we're doing a group song. I'm also performing if I get through, and I hope I do. And also, if you guys haven't already, please vote for me for The Sound. Just check my social media for more information, and I'll give you guys more details. But I hope you guys enjoyed this fun vlog. It was Bubby's birthday today, and we had so much fun. So make sure to give this video a like and a comment down below. Always remember to be kind and caring, and I love you to the sun and back. Bye, guys.
Love in the summertime.